Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Here today, we are going to be opening up a mystery box from, actually, it's from BoxyCharm. In June, when I was going through the add-ons, it said mystery box skincare, $39.99, and it said there was a $300 value to it, $360 to be exact. And all I've done was broken open the box here, and I wanted
has been preserved
to go through it with you guys. If you are new here to my channel, hi, hello, how are you? My name is Jennifer, and this is Aaron. He usually joins me on Sunday videos. He is my husband, and on my channel, we usually do makeup, unboxings, things like that.
Sometimes we talk about ponies.
No, we don't
About how
talk about
Fluttershy's best pony.
No, we don't talk about
Too late, we talked about it.
But we also talk about subjects regarding agoraphobia, too, because I am an agoraphobe. Because I am agoraphobic. And if you are interested in any of those subjects, or if you are interested in all of those subjects,
Or if you're just bored,
then please hit that subscription button down below and hit notify and set it to all so that you are updated every time that I post videos, which is a lot, according to Aaron. And
5 days a week.
yeah, but that makes me happy. So, if you're interested in seeing what is in the box, then stay tuned because we are getting right into it. Okay, we are back. So let's dig into this box and see what we got. We got a lot of
Paper! Right. Score.
which makes up for most of the box.
That's a lot of paper.
Okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in here like you would get in a normal BoxyCharm box.
Box.
Let's see here. First we have the Milk Makeup Cooling Water. And can you read anything that it says on there?
Cooling water. Ultra cooling water soothes and invigorates, infused with natural seawater and caffeine. Apply around eyes to depuff. Apply to neck, face, and body to cool and refresh. There you go.
Okay, so that is one item you get in this box. We will look up the total. We will look up the prices of the items and sum it all up for you at the end. The second thing in here is the biggest thing, and it is Kate Somerville Delicate Soothing Cleanser. And that's what she looks like there. How to use. AM or PM, apply a small amount to wet skin and massage for 30 seconds. Rinse and gently pat dry. I use this cleanser in the clinic when a client's skin is completely stressed or we've done a peel. If you've got compromised skin, this will help improve your skin barrier while cleansing. Does it say anything on here?
Nah, nothing. Just instructions, but same as on the box you just read.
How to use. So, that's pretty cool. A Kate Somerville product. Next is a tiny product by Symbiosis, and it is an overnight rejuvenating eye serum. It says AHA 3 plus RNA, glycolic acid plus, what does that say?
Plus RNA.
Okay. Can you show them and say anything?
Ring light is very bright. Usage: apply in the morning and evening onto clean, dry skin around the eye area. Yep.
It says to do it at night,
Morning and evening.
but it says it's an overnight rejuvenating eye
I
serum.
don't know. Maybe they have a helpline or something?
Can y'all see that? I'm sorry about my ring light.
It just really help.
But it is from Symbiosis London.
Yeah.
And next is Odacite Pure Elements Adventuring Kiss Lip Serum. Vitamin C plus COQ10.
Minus 10.
Minus 10.
I'm gonna try something.
Well, it's in a little bottle.
Oh, that doesn't really help.
Yeah.
Tried to shade it from the ring light, but the ring light is everywhere.
Okay, can you read anything about that?
Ce sérum triple action est formulé pour la relief verticale des contours des lèvres avec une diphtérie. Oh.
Okay, it's like a roller ball.
This triple action serum is formulated for the vertical lines of the lip area to prevent dryness and help plump the look of lips. Super antioxidant COQ10 partners with vitamin C to improve and prevent the appearance of wrinkles. Luxurious botanical oils and vitamin E help to hydrate dry lips. Mint and capsicum create a magical cool to warm effect, naturally stimulating lips for a plumper look. The aventurine crystal applicator imparts the energy of this precious stone, known for bringing
that's
good
a
luck
ball.
and prosperity.
Well, it's all about its averaging.
Yeah, precious, semi-precious stone. How to use. Use anytime lips need rejuvenation. Also, great as a primer or over lipstick for an instant refresher. There you go.
Okay, so that's that.
That's a new one. I haven't seen anything before that had a semi-precious stone applicator ball for the energy.
And the last thing we've got here is the Kypris Made for Each Other Illumination and Active Shimmer. Illuminating eye shimmer and eye serum, another eye serum, really, and primer. Shimmer palette. Oh, I remember when the premium members got this. I laughed so hard at them.
Well, how the turntables have turned.
It looks like that. And now I'm stuck with it. Here is the eye serum. Maybe you would like this, Erin. And here is the shimmer.
Shiny.
Of course we have to you can see those. Okay, I don't want to give you actual eye swatches. And I remember you have to shake this up. Yeah, it looks kind of sad.
Shiny eyes.
You want that?
Sure. Sparkly. Shadow Alchemy. That may be the best single eyeshadow name that I've ever seen.
Alchemy?
Shadow Alchemy. Not just regular alchemy. Shadow Alchemy. Yeah, it has a very alchemical feel to the rest of the starlight, diamond fire, sun glitter, gold aura,
Okay, you really got to
green
shake this
diamonds,
puppy
purple
out.
horseshoes.
You really got to shake this puppy out to get anything out of it.
Just gotta beat the crap out of it.
Okay, and that's it for this box. You get the Kypress Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer. You get the Kate Somerville Delicate Soothing Cleanser.
For when you're feeling delicate.
You get the Symbiosis Overnight Rejuvenating Eye Serum. You get the Milk Cooling Water. And you get the Odacite Adventuring Kiss Lip Serum. Now, we will be right back in just a second because we are going to total up how much this box really costs. Okay, and we're back. And
we did research.
The milk product cost $28 a full size. The Symbiosis product, the Overnight Rejuvenating Eye Serum, cost $28. The Kate Somerville Delicate Soothing Cleanser cost $48. And the Odacite Adventuring Lip Serum costs $48. And this thing...
That's if the aventurine crystal is fully charged.
And this thing, if you remember, having the premium box, costs $120. And added up, I paid $40 for this, okay? And its total value is nowhere near $360. It is worth $264. So
you didn't get very close to the 360 without going over.
So do I think it's worth it? Not really. No.
But are you mad at it?
I am kind of mad at it.
Yeah.
So it's up to you what you think is valuable. If you see this in the add-ons again, I don't know if they're going to put the same stuff in it again. But I'm kind of excited about this. And this eye serum, this overnight eye serum, and this Odacite thing, sure. And it's going to take this off my hands.
Because that's just the kind, caring person I am.
But I'm not into that, and I don't know what to do with this cooling water.
Well, it says apply around eyes to depuff.
I already have depuffing eye things. So, okay, leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you thought of this box.
Let us know if you're mad at it.
Let us know if you're mad at it too. And give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And join me on my socials down below. I'm on TikTok now. If you want to join me on TikTok too.
I hear that's a big thing these days. TikTok.
And, yeah, I hope you are having a marvelous day today. And
a fantabulous day.
A fantabulous day today. I hope you are having a great 4th of July. This is when I am filming this. And
if you enjoy watching exploding things, we hope you get to see some good exploding things.
Yeah, and if you're my neighbors, F you, because you are making my dog crazy with your stupid fireworks.
I'll start gearing up the apology video template after we finish this.
And if you are not having a great day, I hope it gets better for you. I hope some fireworks or something cheer you up. And if you are having a particularly, I have problems with that word. Particularly
Particularly.
patch thin. We are sending you good vibes to get better. And remember to stay healthy, because that's a big thing for your mental health. Stay strong. I know you can do it.
Drink your water. Stay hydrated.
And stay safe. And we will see you probably next Sunday, the two of us. I have my FabFitFun box to open up next Sunday. And other than that, I have some videos for you during the week, and I hope to see you then. Okay. Goodbye. Farewell.
Farewell.